So today we're going to be riding out. We're going to be checking out some places that are some of my most favorites here in the province. That's the Wolfville Farmers Market, North Mountain Market, a little town called Canning. It's got a great little eatery there, along as well as an art gallery. And we're going to check out a couple of things on the way too. We're going to have a look and see where the Luckett Winery is, the Bridge Winery, the Grand Pré and the Grand Pré wineries out there. There's all kinds of cool little shops. This is basically a taste of what is to be seen at the top end of the valley here when you enter in through Wolfville. So we are heading out there. Started with the 101 out of Halifax and heading west. Fortunately, the video doesn't do it justice, but here as you are driving down into the valley, after you pass the West Brooklyn area, you have this incredible view of the Grand Pré and the Bay of Fundy. If you think about it, pull over to the side of the road here and have a look, because it's worth taking some pictures. As you're getting off Highway 101 onto the Highway 1, you're going to come up to your right here, right away, almost immediately see Just As Coffee, and then the little Tangled Garden. It's a beautiful little shop there. You'll be coming up soon here on the Grand Pré Winery, and not too long after that you come across Lightfoot's and Wolfville Wineries. It's almost an immediate need to stop because you need some coffee, you need a little snack. It's the Justice coffee shop, and then you got places to stop and see for wines and whatnot. And not too long here, you end up right downtown in Wolfville.
Medium roast. That's everything. Cutting boards.
Wolfville's Farmers Market, one of the best in the province. Truly community supported, truly community based. Everything from soaps to liquors to beers to wine to food to jewelry, the whole shebang, the whole gamut. It's an inside-outside market, goes all around, and they have community programs for getting boxes made all year round. You have to go to this market and you have to enjoy this one. get to canning. What do you find here? You find a couple of coffee shops, a couple places to eat, and for us, the ARTCAN Gallery Cafe. It's a combination art studio, got a lot of books in there to also look at, as well as this great little cafe inside. Scooter wife and myself and producer Padme found it a few weeks back, discovered it, and had ourselves in. unbelievably good Mediterranean chicken and Caesar salad combo. Possibly some of the best food we've had in Nova Scotia, to be honest with you. Right outside the window there, you can see they have a little park. You can sit there and eat if you want. It's also an eat-in arrangement. They are a full-service restaurant there. But here's our Caesar salad I had this time, and oh my God, it is to die for.
One of my best friends is from Hungary.
Morning.
Morning. Loves dogs. You probably go, as you said, Gaga.
Yep, she would recognize this guy. Piggy.
The North Mountain Farmers Market, a little tiny gem way out there at the 3201 Long Point Road in Harborville, Nova Scotia. You have to make this run. It's small, it's cute, it's quaint, but it's got so much life, so much vibrancy, and so many neat things. And there's history here too. His church has historical displays inside as well as vendors inside and out. They had entertainment, they had everything. You gotta go.
Good evening.
Or are you someone out there who's a little bit like me, who knows deep down out there where I'm meant to be? Every day's a little hard, and I feel my powers grow. Don't you know there's part of me that longs to go into the unknown, into the unknown.
Wolfville. Here on the Gasboro River Road, you turn right onto Grand Prairie Road. You head kind of out to the countryside. And first thing you pass there on your left is Horlings Plants. Great little garden shop. Worth the stop. Absolutely 100% worth the stop. Great selection. Great owners. Good place to go visit. As you keep going up the hill here, you're going to come across Luckett Winery in a second. One of the never-ending number of wineries here in Nova Scotia. Worth the visit as well. They got a good little seating area. They got great views. Good restaurant. Check it out when you're out this way. Finally, I'm going to stop here at the Grand Prairie National Museum here in Grand Prairie, Nova Scotia. If you're into history, if you're a geek like me for this stuff, this is the place to go. It's a chance to learn about the Acadian people, their story, what happened to them, their expulsion, the whole shebang. It's powerful information, powerful history. You need to go check it out if you want a little bit of history geeking like I always do. I want to thank you for coming along for the ride today. Hopefully you enjoyed this. We're going back to Wolfville multiple times. There's just so much to see there. We'll do just a winery visit soon. But for now, thanks for coming along for the ride. Hope you enjoyed it.